Anong pagkakaiba ng elemento ng murder, homicide, and physical injury? The intent to kill. Ang intent to kill is available in murder, is also available in homicide. But absent yan sa physical injury. Serious physical injury, yung light serious ba yan or slight physical injury. Pag walang intent to kill, physical injury. Pag may intent to kill, murder or homicide. Ano naman pagkakaiba ng murder and homicide? Ang pagkakaiba, the method or the manner of killing. Pag homicide kasi, ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya binigyan ng pagkakataon na depensan ang kanyang sarili. Treachery. Yun yan. Sinunog mo. Nilason mo. Treacherous way of killing or premeditated ang killing. Ibig sabihin ng premeditated, pinaghandaan na patayin mo isang tao. Yan. But still, intent to kill yan. Pero kung wala namang, hindi mo naman pinaghandaan, lasing kayong dalawa magkaibigan, tapos nag-away kayo sa politika, nagdebate kayo, ikaw Marcos, siya Duterte, nagdebate kayo, tapos dahil lasing kayo, nagsuntukan hanggang isa namatay. Is it murder? No. It's not murder. Kasi hindi naman premeditated. Dahil sa kalasingan ninyo, gusto kayo magpatayan. So, ibig sabihin, that is homicide. Alam mo na ha? Homicide, intent to kill is present, but in compare that to murder, there's still intent to kill, but the mode of killing is different. But pag walang intent to kill, yun ang tinatawag na physical injury.